Hi, this is Sushil from Creative Mind International School. Today I am going to discuss about the page number 35. Activity time questions are there. Two activity time questions are there. First one is this, first, and then second this one. So both the question I will discuss today. Both the activity time questions I will discuss today practically. So इसके लिए हम MS Access को open करते हैं, ठीक है ना? MS Access को open करते हैं and see here in the question, a sports complex wants to store the details of all the coaches in a database. Design the following table in the access. Design the following table in the access. Okay. Now here, sports complex is the name of the database. So here you have to write sports complex. Sports complex. Either you can write in this way, everything in capital. Sports complex, you can write sports underscore complex and create on click on create button. Now one database is created. One database is created with the name sports underscore complex. Now close this one. Now here click on create, then table design. Table design. Now see here in the question. So field name, first field is C number, C number, C number. Data type is text. See here, the data type of C number is text. So data type is text, and here see the properties is primary key. So set this one, this field as a primary key by clicking here, by clicking in the primary key in the design view, in the design tab, in the design tab. Now the next one is C name. Data type is text, field size is 60. Now C name is the next field. C name is the next field. C name is the next field. Data type is text. Field property is here. Field property you have to set it as 60. Now the next one is, next field is here, C name, text, data type, field size 60. Already I have done. Now the next one is C salary. Data type is C salary is the field name. C salary, salary. C salary. Data type is number. Data type is here. The data type of C salary is number. Data type is number. Now data type is number and field size as double. Field size is double. So here click on the field size, convert it into double. Now come here, the validation rule. Salary should be more than 1000. Salary should be greater than 1000. So here in the validation rule, salary should be greater than 1000. So mathematically symbol is this one, greater than 1000. And see here the validation text is also given. Enter appropriate salary. Enter appropriate salary. Enter appropriate salary. Enter appropriate salary. This is the validation text or validation message, you can say. Validation message or validation text. Now the next point is C sports. C sport. Now see, this one is over. C salary data field. Now next field is C sports. C sports. C sports is there. C sports. C sports. Data type of the C sports is here. The data type of C sports is text. So text. And one more thing here. The default value is badminton. Default value is badminton. So here somewhere default value is the badminton. You have to set it as badminton. Now the next one is address. Data type is text. So next field is address. Now the data type is text. See here, data type is text. Property is required is equal to yes. Required is equal to yes. So required somewhere is here, convert it into from no to yes. And next one see here, the allow zero length, make it as no. Allow zero length, ये yes जो है उसको no में convert कीजिए. Done. Now here after that enter 5 records in the table. sort the records in descending order of coach salary on the basis of C salary field. On the basis of C salary field. Now before that you have to save this table. इसके पहले हमको टेबल को सेव करना पड़ेगा. तो टेबल का नाम क्या देते हैं? कोचेज. कोचेज. Either you have to write everything in capital or a small. No issue here. So postage is done. This one is the design view of the table. Now open this table into data sheet view by clicking double clicking on the table. तो टेबल को डेटा शीट व्यू में ओपन कर लिया. अब यहाँ पे अब ध्यान देना है कि सी नंबर जो है प्राइमरी की है और इसका डेटा टाइप टेक्स्ट है. ठीक है ना, डेटा टाइप इसका टेक्स्ट है. तो इसका मैंने सपोज कोच 1 सी नेम मैंने दिया. अब देखिए सी नेम मैंने दे दिया सपोज C1. सैलरी अगर हम लोग 100 दे, सपोज 500 या 999 देते हैं, तो देखिए क्या हुआ, एंटर अप्रोप्रिएट सैलरी मैसेज आ रहा है ना. एंटर अप्रोप्रिएट सैलरी शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 1000. सो हियर यू हैव टू राइट सपोज 200 2599 और 2590. सो दिस वन हियर द डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू ऑफ द स्पोर्ट्स इज, अगर आपको स्पोर्ट्स के लिए बैडमिंटन ही रखना है तो ओवर बैडमिंटन इज ऑलरेडी देयर. If you want to change, suppose I want to make it as hockey. hockey बनाना चाहते हैं, इसको कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हैं hockey. Now address is mandatory field, not optional field. So you have to write at any cost the address. So suppose I am writing the address as ARA. Now ARA, save this one. Now see here, record 1 of 1. One record is saved. Now see here next one. So next one here means you are in the record number 2. So record number 2 is coach 2. C number 2. Salary suppose 1. Suppose I am writing the salary is 1. Now see here the message, enter appropriate salary. So this one is wrong. So you have to enter here more than 1000 because the criteria we have set. We have set the criteria or condition. So here the condition is more than 1000. So we have to enter here the value, that is value which is greater than 1000. So 1200 is the salary. Now if you want the C sports value as badminton, so already here the default value is the badminton only. If you want to change, you can change, otherwise badminton is okay. Now here the address is PNB, means Patna. Now if you want, now next one is saved. So see here, this record is also saved. So 2 records is saved. In the question it is given enter 5 records in the table. Now 2 records is saved. Now come to the next record. Coach number 3. C name is C3. Salary is 1400. Suppose you want here the cricket, so change badminton. Now the address is suppose Gaya. Now next see here. So save this one. Before that save option is there, save. So 3 record is saved. Now you are in the 4th record. So here coach number, here the mistake I have done, so that one is also changed, saved. Record 3 is again saved. Now coach number 4, C4. Here the salary is 1488. Now here my salary is 1488, and here I want to convert the C sports value as suppose hockey. Now here the address is Ramnagar. Okay. Now here is the option to save. So click on save. Now see here 4 record is saved. Now here come. So here is the 5th record. Now enter C5. Coach number 5. C5. Now see here next one. C5. 5. Here is the option salary 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 5. Now here is the suppose football. I want one football. Sports is football. Now address is Gaya. Suppose Ranchi. Now this one is the 5th record. Save here. So 5 record is already saved. 5 record is already saved. See here in the question it is given enter 5 records in the table. So this is what? First record. This is first record, second record, third record, fourth record, fifth record. Okay, so 5 record is saved. Now the next part is sort the records in descending order. Sort the records in descending order of coach salary on the basis of C salary field. Coach salary on the basis of C salary field. So this one is the C salary field. Now sort this one on the basis of C salary in descending order. Descending order का मतलब क्या आता है? Higher to lower means higher बल. This one is numeric field. ये क्या है? नंबर डेटा टाइप का फील्ड है. तो डिसेंडिंग करने का मतलब टॉप टू बॉटम मीन्स फ्रॉम मैक्सिमम टू लोवेस्ट, बड़ा से छोटा. ना हियर इज द ऑप्शन डिसेंडिंग इन द सॉर्ट एंड फिल्टर ग्रुप ऑफ द होम टैब वी हैव अ ऑप्शन ऑफ डिसेंडिंग. क्लिक ऑन दिस. नाउ योर डेटा इज सॉर्टेड, ऑल द रिकॉर्ड इज सॉर्टेड. ये रिकॉर्ड है सॉर्ट हो गया. सी सैलरी हाईएस्ट सैलरी, देन उससे छोटा, देन उससे छोटा, उससे छोटा, उससे छोटा. So the record is sorted on the basis of here records, all the 5 records are sorted on the basis of C salary column or field in the descending order. So in this way the first question is completed. Now the next part question is second question. Next question is second question. First part of the question, first question is over. Now second question. See here. A school wants to keep a records of details of all its students. Design the following table. Design the following table in Access and enter 5 records. Enter 5 records. So see here, in either this question you can solve it. First either you have to make a separate database. आप एक अलग से डेटाबेस बनाइएगा. अलग से डेटाबेस बनाना है तो इसको बंद कर दें. अदरवाइज यू कैन डू वन मोर थिंग इन द सेम डेटाबेस. सेम ही डेटाबेस में इस टेबल को क्रिएट करेगा. तो इसमें अभी क्या करने जा रहा है, ऑलरेडी ये जो टेबल क्रिएट किए हैं उसी टेबल, ये जो टेबल क्रिएट किए हैं किस डेटाबेस में? स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स डेटाबेस में. उसी डेटाबेस में एक और टेबल क्रिएट करेंगे फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज school wants to keep a record of details of all its students. Design the following table. Design the following table in Access and enter 5 records for this table. Now here the first one is click on create. Click on create. Now this table design. Now the first field is S number. First field is S number. So here S number. The data type of S number is here auto number. Auto number. So auto data type है auto number. Now see here the property is primary key, means you have to make it as primary key. So see here select this field, select this field. Now click on primary key. So this table, this column or this field becomes the primary key. Now the next one is the field name is, field का नाम ही नाम है. The name of the field is name itself. So the field is name. Data type is text. Next one is name field. Data type of the next field is name. The data type of the field is the name you supplied is a reserved word. So reserved words have a specific meaning in the microphone. So text, data type is text, and the field size is 40. Here see the field size is 40. Now next part is DOB. DOB is date of birth. So data type is text. Data type is, so next one is DOB. Next one is DOB, date of birth. Data type is date and time. It is given. And one more thing is here. Data type is date and time. Here the caption. Caption is given. Caption as date of birth. date of birth. Date of birth is the caption for the DOB field name. जो DOB है डेट ऑफ बर्थ जो फील्ड है उसका कैप्शन है डेट ऑफ बर्थ. दिस वन द प्रॉपर्टी. ये क्या है? प्रॉपर्टी है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज फील्ड इज क्लास. क्लास class is a class. Data type is text. Now one more thing is here, default value. See here the question. Data class is the field name. Data type is text. The property is default value is equal to nursery. Default value is equal to here. So class is text. Default value here is the nursery. 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 Okay. Now next one is address tool. Address. Address, address. Now data type is text. Already we see text. Now required is yes, allow zero length is no. Next one is required is yes. Required you have to convert it as yes. And allow zero length is no. Allow zero length is no. Already everything these things I have explained in a video. एक video में already ये सब बता चुके हैं. So in this way click on save and give any name to the table. So the name, suppose I want to give the student table. Student table. Now click on OK. Click on OK. Now then close. Now what happened? So as if you see the question, school wants to keep a record of details of all its students. Design the following tables in the Access and enter 5 records. So now student table is this one, enter 5 records. So here serial number is auto number, so no need to write anything. Now write Sushil. Automatically serial number value is coming or not? One. Sushil Kumar Pandey. Now here date of birth. So date of birth one, calendar is there. Select this. Any value calendar. Now class is, suppose you want, here the class is MCA. MCA. Here you can enter the class is MCA. Address data type suppose RR. Now here the come to the second record. Now no need to write this number. Automatically it will come. Once you will write the value in the number. Or once you will write the value in the name field. Now the next one name is Krishna Das. Krishna Das. Now next one is date of birth. Next is date of birth. Suppose 30. Now here suppose MBA. Here the address is suppose Kolkata. Kolkata. Now next one is third row. So this number no need to write. Automatically once you will write the value in the name. Suppose Tufan Rawat. Tufan Rawat. Now date of birth is suppose, check, select anything. Now here suppose BSc, MSc. Now here address is suppose Ranchi or Bokaro or Jamshedpur. Jamshedpur. Now the next one is here. So no need to write anything. Automatically the serial number will come. Now here then the next one is suppose SWR, SW or Pravesh Aman, your class teacher. Date of birth suppose 6. Now here suppose he is MA in English. Now address is suppose Kolkata or Darjeeling. So don't go for the spelling mistake here. If any mistake is there, so that is not the main point here to discuss. Now next one is, click on next. Now here next one is SWR. Sweta Roy. Next one is date of birth. Now select this 150. Now here, suppose if you want to set as default value, so here the nursery only leave it. Now here the address is suppose CMIS. Address is CMIS. Now the 5 record is entered. Now here is a button save. Click on this. So 5 records are entered. 5 records is entered. So in this way, both the activity time questions, this question and previous questions I have discussed. So in this way, the activity time questions also I have discussed. So that's all for today. Thank you.